Hi, I'm Chef Akanksha Dean, an independent chef, an event specialist, and food and travel writer. Welcome to Nature's Basket Cook-A-Thon, a festival spread over 15 days featuring 15 chefs in collaboration with TravelDine. Today I will be cooking a special Christmas dish, an easy fruitcake recipe that you can try at home. So for this recipe, you will need 40 ml of fresh milk, 2 whole eggs, 90 grams of unsalted softened butter, half a teaspoon of orange zest, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 70 grams of castor sugar, 150 grams of all-purpose flour. Separately also you will require 1 to 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, dried cranberries, raisins and dried apricots, all of them in 50 grams of quantity, soaked in 100 ml of rum. The first step of this recipe is to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Next, in a large mixing bowl, add your softened butter, and your castor sugar. Now combine these two together with the help of your spatula. Next, with the aid of a hand mixer, combine the egg and sugar till it's creamy and fluffy. Next, add in the first whole egg and combine. Second whole egg as well, and repeat the first step and combine. After the egg mixture is nice, creamy and fluffy, we're going to add in the sea salt and the remaining dry ingredients, which is the flour, baking powder. Now we just combine all of this together. Till it forms a nice smooth batter. To this we will add the fresh milk, and combine together. Next, we'll add in the vanilla extract and combine again. Next, take your soaked dry fruits and drain them of their liquid. Place your dry fruits in a separate plate. Save this liquid for later, and now coat your dry fruits with the All-American Pancake & Co. All-Purpose Flour. Next, add the dry fruits to the prepared cake batter. Also add the orange zest and now fold all of this together in the batter. Cut and fold your batter and mix well. Once the batter is thoroughly combined, the next step is to pour it in your prepared cake tin. Now we're going to place our cake in the oven and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes. Now the cake is baked and cool, and for a final step, we're going to brush on the remaining liquid which we had saved earlier on top of the cake. Since it's Christmas time, you can add a bit of powdered sugar as well. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas, everyone.